Hi Kickstarter, my name is Francesco and I'm the co-founder of PHOENX. We built and designed a truly sustainable carry-on luggage made from recycled materials.
We embarked on this mission because something needed to change. We knew where we wanted to go, but weren't sure how to get there. But when nothing is planned, anything is possible, and anywhere can be the right direction. And so we explored, in search of a new way of making the world tomorrow a little bit better than it was yesterday.
This is my co-founder Philip. This is my partner Sven. This is our designer Odin. Together, we wanted to make something better. Not only a better product, but also better for the world. Our aim was to create and design carry-on luggage that meets the requirements of a modern conscious traveler. A product that is beautiful, functional, thoughtful, and also affordable. The first step was applying a 360-degree recycling principle. This is done by using regenerated, recycled, and recyclable materials. To maximize durability and minimize waste, we have applied the principle of modular design, so that each piece of the luggage can be detached, replaced, and recycled. We ideated, iterated, tested, and then tested again. We found the best suppliers who believe in our vision, did more research, and suddenly it all came together. We are super excited that our vision is complete. Sustainability should be a standard. With your support, we'll be able to take our modular concept design to the next level, bring the product to mass production, and raise awareness about our mission. Thank you for supporting our Kickstarter campaign.